Monarchs, welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I did these, continue on watching. Got my Saviland Gel X kit from Amazon. I'll leave the link down below. Going to start with my nail tips. I will be using my electric nail filer to file them down. Now to file down my actual nails, don't forget to dust off all that residue from filing down. Now, an extra step I do if I see extra dead skin, I use my cuticle pusher to dig a bit more on that area. Using the nail glue to apply the tips. Now, look closely as to how I apply the nail glue because this method helps me a lot, making sure there's enough glue. Press down firmly onto your nail, making sure it's straight, no air bubbles, and cure that. Perfect, we got our first nail done. Doing the exact same method to the rest of my nails. This is how they look before. Time to shape and file these nails down. Perfect. Now dust off all that residue. Going to be only using my white nail polish, the number 402 from LA Colors. Using this small nail brush to help me do guidelines for the French tip design. Now keep in mind, I haven't done this before as like a freestyle of like the French tip nails, so kind of bear with me. At the end they look, good, but there's room for improvement. Got the first nail done, and now I'm doing the exact same thing to the rest of my nails. Perfect. You see what I mean? There's room for improvement, but they look good. Using my Kiss Gel top coat to all my nails and curing them after. I will be using these rhinestones and applying them randomly onto my nails, using the nail glue to apply them. Now, for the final step is applying my cuticle oil. Here are the nails. Let me know what y'all think of them. Like I said, there's room for improvement, but I think they came out super cute. Remember, I will be doing my 500 subscriber giveaway. We're almost there, so don't forget to like, comment, share, and most importantly, subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!